This will be an interesting one, hopefully. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we'll see what happens. Okay, this will be an interesting one. Oh, we just left our last one on the glass. We'll just take that off. And we're going to replace it with this one. Eclipse Chewy Mints. Interesting. I didn't eat these. I was actually found this on the footpath near a bus stop. And I just figured, oh, this will be good. This could be good. So there you have it. There's one thing I forgot to do. Oh yeah, I think I've done it. No, I haven't. I forgot to enlarge it. So I've got to enlarge this. I forgot to enlarge it. A little bit forgetful tonight we are. Or I am, should I say. So let's see what it looks like when it comes out. And then we'll just make our enlargement. And just make the adjustments we need. Because enlarging these things looks really interesting. Ah, that is nice, but it's small. We need to enlarge. So we're going to enlarge it. We're going to go. And we're going to go, maybe make it XY zoom, because we don't think we're going to go the full 400. So we're going to call it 300 and I think 350%. Oops, we need an extra 0 just there. And then we just hit the OK button and the OK button. Not that we really need to, but I just like to do it that way. So let's hope this fills up, this fits on the page. I want to have it fitting on the page. So this will be interesting. Let's check it out. Okay, that looks good. Oops, we're upside down. I think we'll call that one quits, but there you have it, Eclipse. Eclipse Chewy Mints. Very nice.